Hello guys, how are you? My name is Alice. Today I will bring you look around of Jakarta, but I want to use Gojek transportation. So I opened my application. We can choose go ride and go car. So I choose the go ride and then I push the button. I want to follow the protocol of Gojek. It means I have to wearing the mask. And then I put my destination and we have to wait because they want to calculation how many we have to pay after come out the billing, so we can choose how we want to pay using GoPay or cash. And right now I choose the GoPay and we get the driver. We can wait around 5 minutes. Now the driver is coming. They give us a helmet for safety, of course, and then we can start the journey. Gojek is one of the biggest startup company in Indonesia, and right now they are operation on the 50 cities. And now we are on the south of Jakarta, especially on the Blok M area. We can find the Gojek office here. The location is so close with the big shopping mall Pasaraya. And now we continue to the central of Jakarta. We see how the condition here. Now in front of us we can find the Gojek rider. They are wearing green helmet and green jacket. It's very easy to identify them. On April 2020, around 6 months, Jakarta is like under semi lockdown. So only a GoFood and GoCar can operation. Of course, everybody get impact because the COVID-19. So the government help us for the subsidy, especially for the senior citizen and then poor people. They give us sembako. Sembako it means like gift that it feels like rice and then sugar and then tea and etc. And now we coming to Sudirman Central Business District. In these weeks, all shopping mall is already open, and like in front of us, this is the Ritz-Carlton 5-star hotel is connected with the big shopping mall. Pacific Place is already open. This is connected with Hard Rock Cafe too. And next to this building, you can find the BEJ or BEJ, Bursa Efek Jakarta for stock exchange. So this area is very expensive. On the pandemic time, some of us we already buy the medical stock because we know the medical is very important on this time. So we believe that prices will be rise up and we can get more profit. And some of us we know how to use the opportunity, and they sell many of things. For the example is they sell like mask and sanitizer and vitamin. On that time it's very difficult to find that. That's why there is a good opportunity. And now everything is gonna be better. And some company they get more profit is internet provider, because some employee majority they work from home, and especially student they do the online study, so they don't go to the school anymore. For the government school, government is help them to give internet quota, so more easy for them to study. And now our location, we are on the central of Jakarta. We're going to like a Blok M area. We can find some high building here because this is a Saturday, so this area is not so crowded. And every day on the main street we have the regulation is even an uneven number for car can go inside of this area. It depends of the date. So on your left side, this is Senayan area. On the 2080 we have a big event is SEA Games. We do it on the left side, and this we can find the baseball field on your left side. This is already the innovation, so these areas will be nice. And you know, in Jakarta it's very easy to get transportation. We can find like a Gojek transportation, like Go Ride, Go Car, and then we can find MRT. And then we can find like Transjakarta. It's very easy to moving to one area to another area, but MRT is special to central of Jakarta to south of Jakarta. We're still on the main street, on the Sudirman Street. Now we close the Grand Indonesia and Plaza Indonesia, one of the biggest shopping mall here, because the location on the central of Jakarta, that's why it's very crowded every Saturday and Sunday. But before we go to the shopping mall, we have to download the Peduli Lindungi application. And then we have to scan this bar and we can know how many person inside. yeah, and then we can to know that we already vaccine or no. And like in front of us, this is the traffic jam every Saturday and Sunday. And then in front of us, that is welcome statue. It's like the heart of Jakarta. I'm sure you already been to Jakarta before. Do you miss Jakarta? And Jakarta right now is not so crowded like ordinary day, because 2 weeks ago we already opened the PPKM, or like the semi lockdown. So now we started back to normal. Some office is already open. I mean, we don't need to work from home anymore, but we change into work from office. And just in front of us, in front of Grand Hyatt, this is place to lepak-lepak for the young people. Lepak-lepak is means just for hang out. Some of them they do like a dance, they do like meet their community, just standing, just take a picture. And this area is close to the MRT and Transjakarta. Some museum here is not already open, so we just go around to the museum, but we cannot go inside to see the collection because the government is don't get any permission till now. And in front of us, this is Bank of Indonesia. Right now they are so busy because everybody wants to propose the loan, and they have to check all of them, they have the credit or no. So our location, we close to National Monument. It's the very important area. The location on the Merdeka Square. In front of us there is National Monument, but right now is still closed, or it's more popular with Monas or Monument Nasional. And we can find some statue and the left side too. And what we do if we go to National Monument on the Saturday and Sunday, we can find Delman or horse riding like on the left side. We just need to pay 30,000 rupiah to go around this square. And this is close to the main gate if we want to go to the parking area, because we cannot go inside. We just go to the parking and then bring our children sometimes, so we can play a kite. This is after renovation, so we can see National Monument is more clearly. And in front of us, this is Jakarta Governor Office, and close the area you can find some embassy, especially like American embassy. And on the left side, this is one of the biggest mosques on the Southeast Asia. The name is Istiqlal or Freedom. So this is our national mosque, and the location is in front of the Cathedral Church. And mosque right now is still under renovation, especially we want to make a canal. This is connected between Istiqlal to Cathedral, because there's so many tourists is coming to this area. They want to see the Istiqlal and a church, so we make it canal so it's more easy to cross. And before we traveling, we have to do a test like PCR and antigen. By airplane, we have to use the PCR like this picture, and then by land or by bus, we can use the antigen like this. And on this picture, US put Indonesia to level 1 country amid better COVID-19 control. And Bali right now is already open for tourists. So welcome back to Indonesia again. And see you next time and enjoy your day.